If you're seeing a Beehiiv payment error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest way to fix it step by step. This is a simple troubleshooting guide you can follow whether your payment is failing because of card details, billing issues, or a bank restriction. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log in to your Beehiiv account using the email and password connected to your newsletter. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Settings option. This is usually where all account and subscription controls are located, so click on Settings to continue. Inside Settings, find and click Billing and Plan. This section contains your current subscription details, plan status, and payment information. If you're on a paid plan, this is where you'll want to check your billing method carefully, because even a small issue can cause a payment to fail. Now look at your current payment method. First, verify that your card details are correct. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and security code if those fields are shown. A single wrong digit can trigger a payment error, so take your time and make sure everything matches exactly. Next, confirm that the card is not expired. If your card is outdated, Beehiiv won't be able to process the payment successfully. If it has expired, update the card with a new one right away. After that, check that the billing address matches your card details. This is one of the most common reasons payments get declined. Your billing name, address, city, state, and zip code should match what your bank has on file. Even a small mismatch can lead to a failed charge. Now make sure there are sufficient funds available on the card. If the balance is too low, the payment may be declined automatically. If it's a debit card or prepaid card, this step is especially important, since those cards are more likely to fail if the available funds are not enough. You should also verify that online transactions are enabled on your card. Some banks block card-not-present payments by default for security reasons. If online payments are disabled, you may need to turn that feature on through your banking app or by contacting your bank. If Beehiiv is charging in a different currency or through an international processor, confirm that international transactions are enabled as well. Many cards block international purchases unless you manually allow them. If this setting is off, your payment may fail even if everything else is correct. Once you've checked all of that, try the payment again. In many cases, refreshing the payment method and retrying after correcting the issue is all it takes. Go back to the billing and plan section and submit the payment once more. If it still doesn't go through, use a different payment method if one is available. A second card from a different bank can often solve the issue immediately, especially if the first card is being blocked by your provider. And that's it. Those are the main steps to fix a Beehiiv payment error. In most cases, the issue comes down to expired card details, billing mismatches, insufficient funds, or blocked online and international transactions. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to get your subscription working again. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.